everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple, flavorful okra dish that you can add to your meal rotation. To start off, trim the stem ends. I personally like to slice my okra lengthwise as opposed to the traditional way. I think it looks prettier, and that truly is the only reason why I do that, but you can cut it however you like. This okra dish is my absolute favorite. It always brings back childhood memories. Growing up, my parents, they had their own vegetable garden, and I remember loving okra so much that I'd go pick about 8 twice a week, cook it for myself, make it super spicy, and just enjoy it. Saute the okra for about 4 minutes on medium-high, as this will help to reduce the sliminess. Simmering the okra in tomato puree will make it tender and juicy, and it will also help to carry the flavors throughout the dish. I like to add the mini sweet bell peppers and grape tomatoes towards the end to give my dish more color and flavor. You can enjoy this perfectly seasoned and flavorful okra dish as a side or a main over rice. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time!